Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're answering a question every reinforced concrete detail depends on: how much embedment does a bar need before you can trust it? This is development length, straight bars, and standard hooks, as per the ACI code. Steel and concrete only work together because of bond, the ribs of a deformed bar bearing against the surrounding concrete. Pull a bar that's embedded just a little, and it rips out. Embed it far enough, and the bar yields before the concrete lets go. That threshold embedment, the length needed to develop the bar's full yield strength, is the development length, LD. For straight deformed bars in tension, the code simplified expression reads, LD equals Fy times the modification factors over 2.1 lambda root F prime C, all times the bar diameter. Take a 16 mm grade for 20 bar, in 28 megapascal concrete, bottom cast, uncoated, LD comes to about 605 mm, roughly 38 bar diameters. And the code never accepts less than 300 mm. The modification factors matter. A top bar, with at least 300 mm of fresh concrete cast below it, takes 30% more length. Bleed water weakens the bond beneath it. Epoxy coating can add up to 50%. Lightweight concrete stretches it further. And higher grade steel, grade 550, adds 15%. Each factor is the code pricing in a way bond gets worse. But what if the length simply doesn't fit, at an edge column, say? Then we bend the bar into a standard hook. A 90-degree hook turns through a bend of 6 bar diameters, then runs a tail of 12 diameters. A 180-degree hook doubles back, with a tail of 4 diameters, at least 65 mm. And here the 2019 code changed the rules. The hook development length now grows with the bar diameter raised to the power 1.5, LDH equals Fy times the hook factors, over 23 lambda root F prime C, times dB to the 1.5. Run our same 16 mm bar, LDH comes to about 221 mm, 14 diameters, against 38 for the straight bar. The hook anchors in roughly a third of the embedment. That's why hooks live at the ends of beams, in joints, and anywhere concrete runs out before bond does. Let's recap. Development length is the embedment that lets a bar yield before it pulls out. Straight bars, Fy over 2.1 lambda root F prime C, times dB, about 38 diameters in typical conditions, never less than 300 mm. Standard hooks, 6 dB bend and 12 dB tail for 90 degrees, and LDH growing with dB to the 1.5, about a third of the straight length. Anchor the bar, and only then count on it. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.